How to fix autoplay not working in Windows. 1. Enable use autoplay for all media and devices, then reset the autoplay settings at control panel / hardware and sound / autoplay. 2. Set 91. To know drive type auto run at HKey_current_user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /policies /Explorer. If you do not see 0x00000091 145 and set 0 to the other one at HKey_local_machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /policies /Explorer. 3. Check and make shell hardware. Detection service run automatically. 4. Enable autoplay. In notification settings. 5. Disable turn off autoplay. Computer configuration administrative templates Windows components autoplay policies in group policy, adit.msc. 6. Disconnect all. USB devices. 7. Use command prompt. Run net start shelling detection command as admin, then reboot your PC. 8. Turn autoplay off and on later. 9. Install the latest Windows updates.